Everyone wants to succeed, but Charlie Munger has a weird trick. Invert. Always invert. It's not yoga, it's mental jujitsu, and it might just keep you from blowing up your portfolio and your life. Most people solve problems by charging straight at them. Charlie, he flips the problem upside down and says, instead of figuring out how to succeed, figure out how to fail, and don't do that. It's genius. Why? Because avoiding dumb mistakes is easier than trying to be a genius every day. And spoiler, you're not a genius every day. Example, a stock is hot. Everyone says buy now or cry later. Inversion asks, what could go horribly wrong? Hype over substance? Overpriced? All the good news already priced in. Boom. You just avoided buying at the top of Mount Dumb. Pro tip, when the market feels like a party, Inversion is the guy checking the fire exits. Inversion works outside investing too. Want to be happy? Ask, what would make me miserable? Answer, doom scrolling, comparing your life to influencers, eating gas station sushi. Now, don't do that. Congrats, you're 30% happier. Want to be rich? Don't just chase money. Avoid going broke. Don't gamble. Don't take advice from TikTok bros in rented Lambos. Don't invest in your cousin's NFT startup called MonkeyCoinX. Simple. Munger says, all I want to know is where I'm going to die, so I never go there. He's kidding. Kind of. But here's the point. Everyone's trying to win. Few people are focused on not losing, and not losing is underrated. Avoiding dumb decisions repeated over time adds up to something that looks a lot like genius. So next time you're faced with a big choice, don't ask, how do I win? Ask, how do I not lose like a complete idiot? Invert the problem, dodge the obvious disasters, and let everyone else trip over their own brilliance. If that sounds boring, remember, boring is profitable. Subscribe for more stickman wisdom. We're just getting started.